Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn 4 chords to play You Broke Me First by Tate McRae.
I know you're like this. When shit don't go your way, you need me to fix it. And like me, I did, but I ran out of every reason.
So let's begin by learning the chord progression with our left hand. So this song is in C sharp minor. So we find middle C and go an octave below that. Here's another C, and C sharp is that black key above. So place your third finger and then allow each finger to fall in a key. And our hand is always going to stay here. So the first chord is C sharp minor, followed by A major, and then E major, lastly B major. So again, C sharp minor with our third finger, A major with our fifth finger, E major with our first finger, and then B major with our fourth finger. And it's going to repeat the entire song, thankfully, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and add our right hand. Just to let you know, our right hand thumb is always going to play the same note as our left hand with our first finger. So for example, C sharp, and then A major, E major, B major. And then let's add the full chord, okay? So follow the lights along this section. Let's try that again. C sharp, A major, E major, and lastly B major. So in my right hand, we're always using our first, third, and fifth finger, but since this song is in C sharp minor, there are some black keys that we are using, but just keep practicing and get used to that and really build your muscle memory there, okay? Because it just repeats itself, so it's not as hard as it first may appear. Once you are able to find those notes, let's go ahead and play it as a block chord. Okay, so again, C sharp minor, so go ahead, take your time, pause this video and just practice that. And then once you're ready, go ahead and come back and join me for the entire song. All right, let's do this.
Maybe you don't like talking too much about yourself, but you should have told me that you were thinking about someone else. You're drunk at a party, or maybe it's just that your car broke down. Your phone's been off for a couple months, you're calling me now. I know you're